was established in 1984. So we are a 40-year-old company. We started out in the UPS business. So in UPS business, as you know, it's a power conversion business. And from there, transitioning, getting into the solar field was a very natural extension, where it was just conversion. Whereas in UPS, it's AC to DC, store in the battery, then DC to AC power. Whereas in solar, it's just DC to AC. So we started out in the solar very actively from 2006-07. That's when we started our commercial installation of solar, where we where we had our UPS clients. We added the solar panels and supplemented the battery charging with solar energy. That's how we ventured into the solar energy business. Our very first solar installation was in 1995. That's when we first started exploring what is solar and how does the entire system work. And in 2006-07 is when we started the commercial deployment of solar for our UPS customers. Then when we saw a lot more viability that was coming in with solar, moment we realized that, and we also as a company wanted to transition more into the renewable energy space, we decided to exit the UPS business. And the business transfer of the UPS business was done to Legrand, the French switchgear company, and then renamed the company as Swelect. Swelect is solar wind electronic, which is basically from a power business. We transformed into an energy company where we give energy. With UPS, it was more of power. With renewable, it was more of energy. So from power, we transitioned into energy in 2012. At that time, we had from 8 manufacturing facilities in numeric, we got to 1 manufacturing facility, where it was a completely vertically integrated facility to manufacture inverters. So that facility we transformed into a module mounting structure facility, and to also the balance of systems where we gave AC DBs, DC DBs, array junction boxes, etc. So at that time we were having the MMS manufacturing and some range of inverter manufacturing. We were doing system integration, EPC projects, and we had already ventured into IPP at that time. In fact, our very first energy sale installation, utility scale, was 1 megawatt in Coimbatore in 2012. At that time we found a gap where people were asking for power generation guarantees, where we had to give the guarantee for the modules and the generation of the plant. But since we were not a module manufacturer at that time, we were not confident about, because the quality was not under our control, we were not able to assure the customers 100% that the power plant will be functioning for 25 years, 30 years. So that's when we saw that an opportunity came for us to take over HHV Solar. So we took over HHV Solar in 2013-14 and added module manufacturing also into our product list. So by doing this, what happened is when we are doing our EPC projects, we could very confidently tell our customers, see, the module is ours, the structures are ours, we are installing it for you. So which means that 100% we will be able to ensure the energy generation. We can give you the warranties and guarantees that are there. So when we took over HHV Solar, it was a very small company at only 24 megawatt manufacturing. Then we changed the name to Swelect, and now if you look at it, after so many years, we are a 1 gigawatt facility in solar module manufacturing, and soon expanding to 2 gigawatt, and in the next 5 years we will be adding a gigawatt a year. So we will be ready with the solar cell line by 2027, early 2027 or end 2026 is the timeline we have taken. So there we are very careful about selecting our technology, because as you know, the cell technology has been changing quite rapidly. So we are very careful about it, but we are also working, and also there are a lot of IP issues going on with solar cells. So that is why we are taking a bit of a time to ensure we are well protected and we have the right technology partner that we can work with. So that is on the cell.
How challenging it is compared to module manufacturing, and will it be all TOPCon cell production?
Yeah, so right now we are looking at TOPCon manufacturing, but with a provision to upgrade to the next technologies as well that will be coming up. Cell manufacturing is a whole different ball game compared to module. Module is far more simpler when, especially because the kind of skill force that is available, skill sets that are available in the market. So India is still new to cell line, it's still new to semiconductor for that matter. So there is it is going to be challenging, but we are confident with the right technology partners, and we are working with reliable teams to ensure that we'll be able to execute it successfully.